Buzz cuts don't suit everyone. On the right man, it looks powerful. On the wrong one, it exposes everything. Here's how to know if you can pull it off. Stay till the end. I'll give you a simple checklist to know if this haircut is right for you. 1. Hairline. A buzz cut exposes your hairline. If your hairline is clean or naturally shaped, you're good. If it's uneven, pushed back, or patchy, a buzz cut will highlight it. Rule: the sharper the hairline, the better the buzz cut looks. 2. Face shape. Buzz cuts work best on balanced face shapes. Oval, square, and diamond shapes look strong with minimal hair. Keep some length if needed. Structure matters more than trends. 3. Hair length and density. Buzz cuts need even hair density. Thick or medium density hair looks fuller and cleaner. Very thin hair can make the scalp stand out too much. Always start longer before going short. 4. Facial features. With no hair to distract, your features take focus. Strong eyebrows, a defined jaw, and decent facial balance help a lot. Facial hair can save a buzz cut. Stubble or a short beard adds contrast. 5. Outfit and style. Buzz cuts need clean outfits. Simple fits, structured tops, and minimal accessories. Messy clothes make a buzz cut look careless instead of sharp. 6. Maintenance. Buzz cuts are low effort, not no effort. Trim every 2 to 3 weeks. Moisturize your scalp. Keep edges clean. Neglect ruins the look fast. Buzz cut checklist. You're good for a buzz cut if 1. You have a clean or natural hairline. 2. Thick eyebrows or visible facial structure. 3. Normal or small nose. 4. Decent facial hair or the ability to grow stubble. 5. You dress clean and keep yourself groomed. If you pass the checklist, go for it. Follow for more hairstyle advice that actually works.